happy to listening that if at all it's going to happen.
Right.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Please continue, please.
So even from our board also, we are also looking forward for such things are happening ahead.
Continue, sir.
Hello, is it audible, sir?
Audible, please continue.
Hello. Yeah. So even we are taking certain inputs from our associations also to come up such kind of doctorate professional or upgrading our everything, certain standardizations. And we regularly, we run a program for upgradations and all for our in our state optoms, whoever are there here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Your opinion is ophthalmic science is not to cover our the profession. Only optometry is the discipline, so we have to practice in the optometry instead of the ophthalmic science or other discipline.
We have to do in optometry.
Right. It is a universally designation, universally nomenclature,
Yes.
universally.
Universally, it has to get recognized.
Thank you. And how many members in your association, sir? It is a registered association?
Yeah, it's our registered association. Yes.
Yes. Our motive of these meetings only to current status of the our activity and current status of the National Commission and current status with the opinion of the lawyers and
Okay.
associations. Registered association is interested to participate along with the DO for the petition. So we will
Okay.
include their names in the petition. We are not alone. We are with the collaboration. Our lawyer suggests if the maximum participants of the registered association is the party, the petitioners,
Okay.
so it will be the beneficiary in front of the Chief Justice of India because the petition will be filed in the Chief Justice of India, the bench.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yes. So we are concerning about that. If we are thinking that I'm 100% correct, but it may be possible with the collaboration of the association, we can put more better side. So this is our motive behind of this to organize this such type of the meeting. And how much, because as per the funding requirement, so I know every association has the limit of the funds collections and funds in their accounts. But with the little help of the every association, so I think thank you.
So, if Ajit sir is ready?
Yes. Ajit sir is not there. मैं एक बार उनको कॉल कर Sir, anybody members are those who are participating, they can continue. They can suggest your views, please.
We will be happy to hear rather than just telling the name now. People can even volunteer to put up their views. We'll be happy to know from the people what they want. And then we would like to update a bit more how is that DOA is planning to move forward with this.
Prem ji. Yes, sir. Please join again, sir. On the same link. Join again, same link, sir. You are welcome, Dr. Rangraj, sir. Please introduce yourself, sir. Dr. Rangraj. Dr. Rangraj, please unmute your mic, sir. is the Tamil Nadu Government Optometric Associations. Please, Dr. Rangaraj. Please. Amit, Dr. Amit, please elaborate. Dr. Amit. Dr. Amit. Dr. Deepak. Dr. Deepak Gupta. Please. Dr. Banik. Dr. Sujit Banik. Please introduce yourself, please. Dr. Banik. Unmute your mic, please. Dr. Ramashankar. Please unmute your mic. Dr. Ramashankar. Dr. Ramashankar, please unmute your mic. Dr. Amit, Dr. Ajit is joined
Hello?
now. Yeah, Dr. Ajit.
Sujit.
Yeah.
Sujit Banik.
Dr. Sujit, please.
Sujit Banik.
Please.
Uh,
Please introduce yourself, sir, or what is your position in your
Senior optometrist now attached with Lance Kakurachai Hospitals, Calcutta, and
Okay.
Vice President of Eastern India Optometric Association.
Thank you. You are most welcome.
Mm.
Please, there's the question whether the ophthalmic science is better than optometry council or we have to establish the optometry council under the National Commission. Please input your views.
Okay. Hello. Can we to disturb for a second? Oh,
No, you are audible. Please continue. You are audible, Banik. Sir, Dr. Ajit, sir, please. The question is whether ophthalmic science or we have to go optometry to replace under the National Commission Act to file.
Can I take
Yeah.
more than few minutes to elaborate my different views?
Okay, sir. Continue, sir.
Okay. Number one, whatever I'm speaking is not on behalf of any association.
Okay,
This
sir.
is specifically my own opinion, and it is not official representation of any association. So please do not mistake this as official representation of any association. Point number one.
Thank you, sir.
Point number two is I wish to congratulate Dr. Anil Tyagi sir for, it's like a crusade for him to, with a conviction that he is fighting the cause throughout. So I congratulate you, sir,
Sir,
and your
without your wishing,
ability to
it
lead.
cannot be possible, sir.
Number three,
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
because there is a lot of funds requirement, I on my own pledge 1 lakh rupees for this cause, and I urge everyone, whatever maximum they can give input, they should give.
Thank you very much, sir. Your blessing is appreciable. Thank you, sir. ये तो
Number
आपने
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
जी,
number 4 is slightly a negative remark on what we are doing. So please do not misunderstand, but this is my studied opinion and you all may agree or disagree. When this act was under formation, we had all the rights to give our opinion as state councils, independent person or whatever. Unfortunately, almost none went to the government when this was under formation. And I believe that this is one of the greatest and gravest mistake that we have done. Whether it should be optometry or ophthalmic science, yes, it should be optometry. There is no doubt about it. But at present also, I have studied each and every word of this document at least 10 times. I do not know whether everyone has read not clauses pertaining to optometry, but whole of NCHP Act. Unfortunately, there are very few who actually read from the book and form their opinion. And I urge everyone to read the law before they opine. My understanding about this is that we are being given independent practice rights and prescription rights under this NCAHP Act. Though we are clubbed together as ophthalmic science, we have been given rights, but there is a confusion in nomenclature. Whether a small community like optometry would be financially and number wise influential to change the course of law, I doubt. And though there is a doubt in my mind, I have full conviction in what Dr. Anil Tyagi sir is saying, and that's why even when I have difficulty in this belief, I'm fully with him, and that's why I have pledged my own money towards this cause, and I will continue to pay more whenever there is a need. Thank you.
thank you very much, sir. Your positive inputs, and we are very thankful for your financial contributions. We are badly needed. So I request to all the associations, just remember, I just joined, so I'm to introduce the Dr. Tebas, Tebrez, Dr. Tebrez, please introduce yourself. Dr. Tebrez,
Yes,
please.
sir. And
ये
Tabriz.
तबरेज है.
Tabrez,
Tabriz.
sorry, my glasses is not
Yeah.
perfect, so I think there is a presbyopia difficulties to read out. Thank you, sorry. Please
सर
continue.
अच्छा ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट चाहिए आपको रिफ्रैक्शन करवाने के लिए.
सर वो कह तो रहे आपको असिस्टेंट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर दैट विजन टेक्नीशियन इज सफिशिएंट
तबरेज जी प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
अब्रेज जी प्लीज
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm Tabriz. I'm not a doctor. I'm an optometrist. I'm practicing in Bangalore. So that's all.
You are not optometrist, sir.
I am a optometrist, sir, not a doctor. Optometrist.
A patient is told you what if patient refer you pay the regard as a doctor or the technician.
No, optometrist, not a doctor.
They no say the doctor.
Actually, this is one of
No, no.
the good points that Tabrez sir has brought out. I think there was a PIL asking whether physiotherapists can call themselves a doctor.
Right.
And the reply was that
No,
they are
why,
not supposed to call doctor.
Okay.
Am I
why
right, sir?
somebody should call a, why somebody should call me a doctor when I'm not a doctor? I am proud to be an optometrist rather than be a doctor.
Right. There is the confusion between the doctor, those are medical graduates, they call the doctor, but what about the dentist? They are the medical graduate. Sorry, this is the now point is diverted. Sorry, you guys continue. Whether you need the optometry council or the ophthalmic science council, this is our agenda of this meeting, sir. Please, Tabrez, Dr. Tabrez. I pay you regard because you practice the noble profession, the optometry. The optometry self deserve the respect in the from the public domain. Please, Dr. Tabrez, please input your views.
Sir, I'm not a doctor, sir. So, uh, what do you want me to tell, sir?
Optometry,
Regarding optometry council or ophthalmic science?
satisfied with the ophthalmic science.
No, optometry council should be fine regarding my
Thank you.
aspects.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now,
So, sir, can we, I think in the constraints of the time, can we now to move towards the concluding notes?
yes,
Uh,
yes.
Before you start, I'd like to say a few points here and taking forward from what Ajit sir was trying to say. Uh, the journey, I think what we are now planning, till now it was all right. And since Tyagi sir is leading it, I know we all trust him. That's the reason we are here on this platform today. But this will require much more trust actually from each and every corner of the country. If you're really going for, this is not something a case where we are fighting for something like in a state. This is we are going to fight against a law which is there, a council which is there formed by the government. So of course we have the strong points, we have strong evidences in our support, and we should be able to get positive outcome also. Not sure of it, but yes, with whomever we have consulted till now in the form of constitutional advocates, after hearing our case, they say few mistakes has already been done by this profession. But hearing all this, we do have enough evidences to which can take us in the positive direction for the profession. The most important thing is the PIL being accepted. Once that happens, you can presume that half of the case is going in your favor. So the challenge is what now we are facing is, of course, the funds. But above the funds is much more as a trust from everybody, from every corner. And we are sure the journey will be much easier for all of us if we get the trust from everybody. This even is small questions when you're trying to achieve something for the profession or for a community. It does sometimes hurts an individual, which will happen, which may happen, and since it's going to involve the funds as well, so it's not going to be excused. I'm sure about it, and it's going to haptic amount which is going to be used into this. And another thing is, before we even take a next step, we need to be sure about at least a minimum of 25 to 30 lakhs, because once we start, what the consultant from the advocates profession they're saying is at least 5 to 6 hearings are minimum. So even if we are going to get somebody to fight a case with a per hearing of 5 to 6 lakhs, we require at least 30 lakhs. So it's not a small amount, and I'm sure DOA alone may not be able to do this. So my request to everybody is, I'm sure we all are working with so many patients every day. If somebody can connect us with an advocate who is good at constitutional case filing or whose record is good in terms of success of those cases. We'll be happy to get connected with that person. Like whatever resource can help us in bringing out the expenses to the lesser number, to the lesser amount. So any advocate, if any optometrist, anybody in this forum today, if knows somebody who is a good advocate, somebody who can really help us in giving a right direction to this, we'll be happy to get connected with that person as well. So about the funds, Tyagi sir, I think I'll need to request you. You can open up what is that DOA at present is having. We may need to, I think, if we have enough to start the case, but 2 hearings are not enough actually for us to win this case. We require only 5 to 6 hearings. So we need a support from everybody.
Thank you, Premji. I sent the link of my videos, which has been discussed with the team leader of the Supreme Court lawyers. They already explain each and every stage of the funding requirement or the how many lawyers will be participate and what will be the process and how times and how many hearing will be theirs and what level of the which type of the level is required of the lawyers, ARO and others, junior lawyers and face value lawyers. So total expenditures available right now in the account of the association is the 8 lakh plus. And we can file the litigation immediately within the 8 lakh. There is no problem. The question is there, okay, after the next hearing, that will be the cost, the 6 lakh per hearing. So we cannot afford. This is the main problem. Previously, our last lawyer, we are consulting with last 1.5 years. So he not told us that the amount is required. He told that period that within the 10 and 15 lakh you can meet that your problems. But somehow after the 1.5 years, he refused to take our matters due to some family problems. So now
So
we change.
what, if I can take the permission from you, sir. So what
Okay.
we're trying to, what that sir is trying to say is 8 lakhs, we have the DOA funds, which is the fund of the DOA, the life members. It's not our fund as such. So
Yes.
just to be clear about this, and of course the DOA board members have really been fighting for this since long, and we but nothing official as such. But yes, we have volunteered. A lot of us have volunteered to support in this. So we should be able to meet another 4 to 5 lakhs. So around 13 lakhs we can manage through the platform of DOA with the help of DO members as well as the DO board members. Another 20, I'm sure 20, 25 lakhs we're getting short. So we need to really think about.
Right. I am also contribute the 5 lakh from my pocket to the support of the DOA. But 5 lakh and 1 lakh, if it is added with this amount 8 plus, so it cannot be sufficient amount for that our litigation carry out forward. This is the main problems. We are interesting, those associations registered, they are in favor of the optometry council. Optometry science should be
So
replaced.
nothing better, sir. It's good to know you're announcing. I know personally we had this discussion. You already said I'd like to spend from my pocket whatever best I can do. So good, yes, sir. Tyagi sir is disclosing now to everybody that should be able to contribute to almost 5 lakhs from his pocket. Which is really good. I think nothing can be better than this. So 5 plus 8, 13. Yeah, Ajit sir, 14. So another 2, 3 lakhs. So we can, I think, take this figure now from 15 to 17 from at least DO and other contributions till now.
And we can,
Can I have one
It
suggestion,
should be
sir?
okay to start with the case, yes.
yes.
Can I have one small suggestion?
Yes, sir, please.
So I'm very much happy with the contributions happening. One more small thing is that always a lot of drops becomes a big tank and then becomes an ocean. So I request you to open, give your account bank details in all the social media,
Yeah.
wherein even individual can contribute in any amount, whichever way possible.
Yeah.
And you can
That's really good because this is something which we had a drive during the COVID also from the DOA platform, and we really were very like it was an amazing contribution that we got from all the optometrists
please,
across the country.
yes,
This
sir,
is really good,
please
and whatever.
start
So
What,
we'll
this
be happy
so
to do that as well.
how much amount must be minimum, sir?
Somewhere, so I have so. I think that the more the number, the amount will be required will be minimum from each contribution. Will that be okay, sir? If we can like take help of the associations, is like because they are more connected with their members, and a lot of people may not be in our connects, so sometimes it becomes difficult. Yes, one could be a drive through social media where individual contributions can be welcomed in that with a clear objective of why this is being collected. And second thing is like the associations can also approach. I'm sure some of them may be having their fund as well, plus because they are members fund only, or they can request their members to further contribute to this, whatever comes from the associations. I'm sure. So multiple efforts will need to be made because time is not much with us left now. So we can't like wait for this much long. We're already late.
And sir, you can, if possible, you can have one exclusive account.
Sir,
Hello.
we can
Yeah, you
talk.
can have an exclusive.
Yes, we can
Sir, you
talk.
can have
Yes, we
you
can
can
talk.
have an exclusive bank account, so that it will be a lot of no, it will be much easier for everyone to put in it, and it will be a very easy for everyone to contribute, sir.
Yeah, we have an association's account, DOA's account. It can be to that because opening another
Okay, sir. Okay,
account
fine. So just give a try if possible, so that it will be
much of
much
friends from
easier.
across the country, then who will it be responsible? Because individual's account may not be possible. Yeah,
Okay, fine, no problem, sir.
not
But anyway,
advisable to go for individual account.
start this drive. So a small
Yeah,
amount can be a big, will become big amount,
right.
and
Yeah.
everyone participation, and that will give a real boost that so many all the
Right.
optometrists
I
will
think
come together.
broadly, if people are agreeing with the mission and the direction we are planning with the clear objectives, I think participation from everybody should be there. People should be happy because this is something which is about the profession and our existence.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I request to Karnataka Optometry Association, madam, please. Karnataka Optometric Association,
Yes, sir.
please.
Hello.
Yes, audible here, please.
So you're asking me regarding the funds, sir?
Yes. Funds and
Okay,
participate.
I just need to,
Be a part
yes, participation. Yes, definitely we want to participate, but I just cannot conclude by myself. So I just need to speak to my board members and speak to the other members too, and then I'll anyway keep in contact with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Tyagit sir,
Yes,
can I
sir.
request
Yeah.
one thing, if you allow me?
Yes.
Based on what we had in the last meeting and the expenses estimate that we got from these advocates and the
Right.
consultant who was actually representing them, let's share the rough estimate with all the associations who are at this platform today with us. Okay, this is what the broader picture is. And we will definitely be further happy to get connected with somebody who can help us bringing down this cost to us, because this is the money of an individual, which is not everybody from this actually, not any individual. And we should definitely be looking for the options where we can keep these expenses in the minimum level. So can we share these details, including per hearing cost, the expenses what she was talking about, because each and every page needs to be drafted. It needs to be typed. This is not something like where you can have a photocopy or scan copies put into file to that case. Each and every word needs to be actually typed, and there is a clerical charges for that as well. And of course, the consultant is already specified how much her charges are going to be. So if you can share that brief estimate with the group. So they can also discuss, because these are the individual representation what we're having today. I'm sure they need to go back to their respective bodies and discuss with them as well. With a clear objective, what is that the DOA is planning? That will be, I think, more helpful for each and every association.
Thank you. Thank you, Premji. Those association is participating and they support the Optometry Association, Optometry Council in the bill. So as a petitioner, their name will be mentioned in our petitions. This is the main motive behind of this meeting. Secondly, DO is collecting the membership. Now is membership the 6,000 and the special membership drive there the 5,000 with the 1,000 is rebate. So we can slash down over the membership. The board will be decided and we can fix the target 2,000 member if we can enroll through this special drive. So this fund will be covered. Probability. This is our future plan. So all the association is having, some association is having 1 lakh, 750,000. It's not matter up to the 5 lakh. It's a not matter about the 10,000. There's a matter of the concern. They are agree with the optometry. They are representing to the optometrist through the registered associations. So they are clubbed under our petitions. So you all the leaders of the association, please discuss in your board. This is the fact and how they can support. How can they support with the financially, and how can they support if their lawyer is there in your family, in your relation or your friend, and their constitutional lawyer should be there. Not the simple lawyer is required. The face value lawyer is the more expensive to compare it than to the filing the case. The filing case is the sufficient fund available to the DOA. Their question is whether the next step, the face value lawyer is too cost expensive. Thank you very much. Now we
Sir,
conclude.
one small thing, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Dr. Rajesh Chwadwa is there in your association, sir. I think he definitely,
Dr.
he
Rajesh,
is also a lawyer.
yes, I had talked to morning. He is out of country. So he is coming
Okay, sir.
30 days later. So I can consult him also. There is
Yeah,
no
yeah,
problem
yeah. Thank you.
in my mind.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. I'm
But
also,
actually, the problem was that we were also thinking any advocate can take up this case actually. But now recently we got to know, since it's against the constitutional, so there are specific advocates lawyers who are fighting these kind of cases, and they are very limited in numbers.
yes.
That's
Okay, I know,
how.
sir.
Actually, otherwise
Yeah,
we
yeah,
not even
just
bothered.
he can help
Got you
us.
from DOA behalf, we will be able to take up this case.
Yeah, he can
But
help
now,
us in narrowing down a good person
Right.
and handling it.
Very much. Now you are welcome. We had very positive all on the 1 point agenda. Ophthalmic science is not justify our profession. We need only optometry council. We have already sent the representation to His Excellency President of India, even also the Chief Executive PMO. We are not a single reply received till date. This is our positive case. So only one way to file the litigations. And next, what the next step we will take, we will inform you, and possibility we can fix the next meeting. I request you, please go your executive committee and take up this matter in front of them and get their consent. And after that, we will take the एक स्टेप आगे तभी कर पाएंगे.
राइट
और
सर,
कुछ
डीओए के लेटर हेड पे एक टेंटेटिव एक्सपेंसेस बजट आप अभी एक बार बना के प्लीज सारे एसोसिएशन मेंबर्स को आप प्लीज शेयर कर देंगे, तो so that they can take it forward with the people, and we can even specify in that what is the fund available with us at present.
Thank you, sir.
That will
Before,
help everybody. Yeah.
yes, thank you. Anybody, all the members are requested kindly. You have any question and any input, please go ahead. All the participants, I request you, please.
Sir, myself Nagaraju.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir. Yeah, sir. Actually, yeah, I had a discussion with you regarding the accessory account, but you said RTGS little problem is there. My intention is that if any chances are there to create the new account for the deposits, kindly make it, sir, so that I can gather our optometrists to do the deposit and also.
Okay, we have the account, so we can share your details.
Just for
Okay.
the help, is it possible? So, for association's point of view, I'll request again. Uh, Please, whoever are your your board, your association members, because you need to communicate with them. They may understand your language better and your objective better. I think the associations can take that fund in the name of this particular objective. And that can come to us through the associations also, rather than the individual fund. Otherwise, we not even come to know how much fund has reached us. DOA will like to be very transparent and very fair. In this fund, our objective is very clear, and we would like to have only fund required only for this purpose. No other expenses are going to be there from this fund actually. So we'll be happy for the individual drive which has come up as a suggestion. We will definitely like to draft a message with our account details of DOA where direct individual donors can come in. But associations, I think, can